Hello my friend, how are you all? So today I bring a beautiful design wall decor frames. The 5 frames we have made in premium quality shisham wood, that's called the Nigam shisham, we have used in this unit. And these are very beautiful frame, totally hand carved, no CNC machine used in this unit. You can see clearly the design of the frame, different designs and different pattern we have used in all frames. Now you can see clearly the beauty of these frames, and this frame for the wall decor. This frame will fix on the bedroom wall. The size of this frame are 5x4. Height is 5 feet and the width is 4 feet according to the customer size. So it can be fixed anywhere in your home, as like in the main hall and the dining room. Where you want to fix, it will be easily fixed, and it will be able to make the traditional look to your house. So it can be fixed on the rooftop also in the bigger size. We can make that any kind of size. And one frame we have made in 13 feet by 13 feet, but we didn't make any kind of video for that because that was the bigger size and we were not able to make the video of that. Apart from that, if you have any other design, then you can send us, we can make that for you. So lots of designs we already have. You can just contact us. Number we already provided on this video. You can directly contact us by WhatsApp and by call. We can make any kind of design for you. So Star Enterprises always know for the quality only. We deals in the high quality furniture. Customer always says your price is little high, but we only deals in quality. That's why quality always come costly. That is the big reason for that. We don't deal in the cheap quality furnitures. So if you want these kind of royal antique furniture, so you have to just contact us. We can provide the delivery anywhere in India and abroad also. We already uploaded the 163 video, and lots of videos need to come. I don't have enough time to upload all video together, so one by one I will upload daily. And you can see the beauty of these frames in the pure shisham, in the matte finish walnut. It's give and proper and beautiful look. Star Enterprises always know for the quality, as all you know about us. So if you really like this kind of designs and traditional antique designs furniture, any kind of design, any kind of furniture, we will make that for you. Plain furniture is available all over world, but when we talk about the carving, the hand carving, it is very rare things. So friends, hope you like this video and enjoy this video. Please share us to your friend also. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.